Dolly, I find that I don't know, although this time seems the way it is, I do find that there's a huge population of people who seem very angry when people talk about certain planetary positions. Have you found that as well? Because it was uncanny for me yesterday. I
Uh,
put in this small post and I was feeling very intuitive about the energies of Uranus and Saturn, and I just felt that there was, people should just plug out of that anxiety and fear. So I'd written this post, and it was very weird that there were many people who didn't get the spirit of that post, and sort of felt that I was instilling a level of fear in them when actually there was absolutely nothing of that sort in what I'd written. So do you find that this time people are plugging into fear, so are misconstruing the whole, um, the whole logic of astrology?
now here is where that is why I read. I mean, today's lesson was all about foundations. It's now when you are giving up your profound statements, you shouldn't be bothered about what other people think because you have studied the subject, they have not. So don't sit judgmental on them. Forgive them for they know not what they're doing. That's why Sir Isaac Newton, when we speak about a very renowned scientist, that he gave a very nice answer. People ridiculed a person like him. So you and me are nothing. Okay. So when you're giving out these statements, it's important for you to understand, for you to share your knowledge without expecting the appreciation. And astrologers or holistic study people or wellness people, you require a large heart to appreciate the other person. But when you're convinced of what you are giving out, you don't expect appreciations from people. You shouldn't even be bothered. In fact, you have triggered their thoughts. And trust me, it's like a child. You reprimand a child. Okay. The child will initially say, "Ah, why are you scolding me? Why are you doing this?" But eventually the child will go and think that my mom has scolded me. Is there some truth in that? So you've triggered the minds of the people who have given you the statements of refuting you. Okay. So basically, you've triggered their conscious, and that should be your purpose.
Makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Thank you.
That's
Yeah.
why it's so important to be proud that you all are astrologers. In our days, it was a big thing. Like I'm from a farmer's community, okay? And imagine a Sardarni saying that I am doing the Brahmins thing. And I was ridiculed, I think, many folds. What is this you have picked up? What is this? This is not your prerogative. And today, everybody respects, everybody loves. And it doesn't matter to me because in the end, I have done what I was convinced about. My husband is very happy. So that takes the cake. He says, I never knew. It is so profound. So, at the end of the day, what matters is you being happy that you filled your purpose on this earth. And life is never easy. The true art in all these learning, all these wellness or spiritual programs is how to be confident within yourself, in your body, in your mind, in your. So you are not doing things to impress people. You're not doing things so that people are going to appreciate you. You're doing things because it makes you happy.